Dave, have you got a minute?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
I've got a question about combat. Well, it's more of an idea.
Okay.
You know when we attack the heroes, and we do a really big powerful attack, we always do the red thing first.
The red thing that shows them where the attack's going to be, yeah.
Yeah, well, what if we didn't do that?
What, not do the powerful attacks?
No, we still do the powerful attacks, we just don't do the red thing.
But then the heroes wouldn't know that a powerful attack was coming.
Exactly. They wouldn't know.
It's an interesting idea. We can give it a go and see if it works.
That worked well.
That went really well. I don't know why we weren't doing this before.